I'm going to show you how to set up a course with our new integrated worksheets on the Gibbs platform. You'll come to the groups page and you'll create a new course. So say this is for my winter term course, and I can choose any invitation code. So say this is for Heather's winter course. Save that, and then I can go on in and click to choose one of our groups of assignments. So these are the same syllabi that you've seen on our platform for quite some time. You can go on in, you can look through them. They're just split up into the main chapters that we have. You can preview the worksheets and see all the questions that you want to assign. Or we have a new content group called the autograded content. This just allows 100% auto grading. It makes it a little bit easier for you. So say I click that one. It's going to make a copy of the syllabus for you, so you have your own version of it. Then you can go on into the assignments menu and set due dates and move the questions over to the students' worksheets. And you can then go on in, choose date and time to release each of these. So say I want this one available at 8 a.m. and then I want them to return it in by Friday. They can do any time in that range. Oh, and this activity, the density of solids and liquids, I want them to be able to access that one and do that over the weekend. So that's a Friday to Monday type activity. You can go through any of the chapters, select any of them, set the due dates and time anytime in the course. You can, of course, delete them if you decide you don't want it. In another video, we'll show you how to use this advanced settings menu. This is essentially everything that you need to do. The students will now see the worksheets. So I'm going to switch over to a student profile so you can see what they see. So if I go into my student profile, they then go to their assignments menu and they would select the group they're in. But hey, wait, they haven't joined your group yet, so they're going to need to join your group. Oh, what was that group code? In case you don't remember it, you can check it. Oh, it's this one. Okay, I'll copy that. This student can join that course. Now when they go into the assignments menu, they can choose that new course, and now they've got both of those assignments set for them. So they can enter this first one, open it, start it. You get timestamps on exactly when they enter on everything, and then they can fill it out, and it will be just stored in the system. All their answers will be auto-graded in that. They'll just click submit after they fill out every single worksheet. If they try to enter a worksheet that isn't open for them yet, it'll just tell them you can't enter this worksheet yet. It's still closed. And that's what it looks like from the student side. They're just filling out the worksheets, launching the labs from within there. You, the instructor, then can go on in and you see your course, and you can go on in and, for example, let me just show you one of the courses I filled out. Here is a course where a couple of my demo students have filled out a worksheet, and they will have grades in there that are automatically populated on each of these worksheets. So for example, if I want to check out this worksheet, how did my student do here? It pulls up, tells me exactly how long they spent on it. This was a test one, of course. It took me 1.7 minutes, but you'll see exactly how long they spend as they answer the questions. You can add feedback for them if you want to. They'll see all of this and just save changes once you've got it. If there are things that you don't agree with the answer we gave them on, you can adjust that, change the score, just save the changes on that. And then, for example, if I go into another one, if for any reason it doesn't grade the way you like, so for example, this one was plastic ball, you can see, oh, the correct answers beyond labs only had it coded to grade plastic or a plastic ball correctly. That's not right. So I can just give them full credit on that and save my changes on that, and it'll adjust the score there on the back end so you can see, oh, now their score is full. The students will see their scores once they've hit the due date, and we hope this really helps the way you can navigate through the worksheets, see everything they've done, and be able to handle all of the assessment right here within our website. Then when you're ready to take it back to your LMS, you can just export the CSV of all their grades. It's really easy to then just work through it. You can see their lab books just like before with this little lab book button where you can open that up, see anything they've done in the lab, be able to see all their data that they've collected. You can see their lab chem data with everything they've done. All of the same functionality is there. It's just now you can also see everything they filled out in the worksheets. We hope this helps.